Hello, I'm going to show you how I turn an image into line art without Photoshop. We want to take this image and turn it into this image. Now we're going to go to the App Store and we're going to look for an app called Pencil Sketch. And these are apps that primarily you can create pencil sketch or line sketch from. And the one that I'm going to be using, so it's called Pencil Photo Sketch Editor. We're going to click on it, and when you open it, it's going to look like this. We have two sections, camera and gallery. You're going to click on gallery and then choose your image. I've chosen my image and there are different filters. First we have the pencil effect, then pencil sketch effect, next pencil dark shade, pencil light sketch, pencil light shade, pencil dark strokes, and dark pencil sketch. Now these are some of the variations of filters, but the ones I primarily use is the first or the second one, and that is pencil sketch effect. And then I'm going to click on the save as and save image. Once you've done that, it's then going to tell you it has saved it to your photos, and then okay. Now because I am a portrait artist primarily, I'm going to show you with an image. So I go back to the start, choose our image. This is my image. I'm going to go through some of the effects so you can get an idea of what each filter looks like. And with each one, as I said before, I would prefer to use the first two filters. So I look at the pencils sketch or the pencil sketch effect. To save image, click save image and it will save it to your photos. I hope this helps and I will see you in my next video.